Orukiiko rwa Commonwealth Conference rukatandikwaho amahanga gategekerwaho Bungereza kandi speaker kadaga yacu abeebembezi b'abakazi okumanya ngu bakiine orugendo ruhango rw'okutambura na munonga omubizi be barikushanga nko abakazi omu butegeki bwabo kandi yashaba n'abeebembezi abashaija kubayambaho kuhikiriza ebigyendererwa byabo.
The other thing I would add is that we should recruit men to help us. See, it's not just a women's issue. We should recruit men to understand and to support us in this campaign so that we can get there. Sometimes we need to make laws and we need numbers. So let's work together.
Kandi wari kugaruka hari speaker korwo mu ihanga rya Cameroon Emery Monjowa yashaba abakazi kubetaba munongo mu nshonga z'ibwo butegeki ngo kandi ebigyendererwa byabo nibica kushikwaho barwanise kugerega abakazi mu ishengero.
Of our parliaments have increased the number of women participating in the different parliaments and legislatures. The figures are not still what we want, but as women, we continue to work hard and strive to make sure that our numbers within the legislative bodies of our respective jurisdictions increase each parliamentary year.
Promoting women to senior portfolios and positions of leadership, empowering women as effective legislators in 21st century, and combating bullying and harassment in Parliament.
Okwesimbawo kya ssente enkumu. Abakyala abasinga obungi tebalina ssente naye ng'ate balina amagezi, balina obusobozi. Kati tetusazeewo ne tugamba nti tugenda kwetunula mu tulebe tuteekawo ensawo oba nga tuyita mu bibiina ebyannakyewo bisobola okutuyamba tuteekewo ensawo eneyamba ku bakyala abaagala okwesimbawo.
Oruteerano oru niruza kuyigurwaho omwebembezi w'ihanga omu butongore aha rwakana rw'esaabiiti egi kandi niruza kumara ebiro 9 obw'amahanga gategekirwe Britain geerundiinire ahari Munyonyo kubaasa kugaanira aha nshonga z'okwetungura. Uganda eheruka kutebekanisa oruteerano oru omu mwaka gwa 1967. Gashakwa Jimmy Muhumuza.